Welcome to the world of AI, where possibilities are endless. In this video, we will explore how you can make money with the help of AI. Now that you understand the potential of AI, let's dive into the various ways you can make money with it. From AI-powered trading to AI consulting and AI-driven startups, the opportunities are vast. To succeed in the AI money-making journey, you need the right tools and resources. In this segment, we will explore the best AI tools, websites, and platforms that can help you achieve your financial goals. As we conclude this video, remember that the journey to making money with AI starts with taking action. Start leveraging AI today and unlock your financial potential. AI technology has revolutionized the way we generate videos from text. In this video, we will explore some famous tools that are widely used for text-to-video generation. One of the most popular tools is OpenAI's DALL-E. This incredible tool uses deep learning algorithms to interpret and visualize text descriptions, turning them into stunning images and animations. It can transform mundane sentences into captivating visual stories. Another renowned tool is Wave 2 Lip, developed by researchers at Stanford University. Wave 2 Lip focuses on synchronizing lip movements in videos with any desired audio input. By using AI, it can accurately generate realistic lip movements for a given text, making it appear as if the person in the video is speaking those words. Next on our list is Adobe After Effects. While not exclusively an AI tool, it offers various plugins like Deep Dream and StyleGN that leverage artificial intelligence to enhance text-to-video generation. These plugins enable users to create mind-boggling visual effects and transform ordinary text into visually stunning animations. Moving forward, Reallusion's character animator deserves a mention. This powerful software uses AI-driven facial recognition technology to animate characters based on real-time movements captured through a webcam or microphone input. It allows users to bring their characters to life and make them speak any given text effortlessly. Last but not least, let's not forget about Google's Deep Dream Generator. This fascinating tool uses neural networks trained on various images to generate surrealistic visuals based on any given text or image input. It can transform ordinary scenes into mesmerizing dreamlike compositions. These are just a few of the famous tools used in the field of AI-powered text-to-video generation. Their advanced capabilities have opened up endless possibilities for content creators, enabling them to bring their ideas to life like never before.